Hi, good morning, everyone. And we are today in the last leg of this program, and we have a very esteemed guest with us. We have Mr. Pranay Bahuguna. I would request Anshul sir to tell us, all of us, about Pranay because he is a celebrity, and it will be great that all of you should join him after this program through his various social accounts. And Anshul will give you a small brief about him quickly.
So, as you must have seen this graphic quite a number of times now because it was all over the social media. So, Mr. Pranay Bahuguna is an esteemed singer and he has got over 4.62 million hits on YouTube channel with more than 44K subscribers. So, after this, of course, session, we would request you to even go to YouTube and even subscribe to his channel. And apart from that, he is also a Z Music Company's signed artist. So you are going to meet a celebrity today, right? Lucky for you. And then apart from that, he has got 3 back-to-back releases in Z Music Originals in the last 6 months itself. And he was also the winner of Yuva Hindustan Ki Awaaz Season 2.
Thank you so much for joining us. And all these students will get motivated. And there is an interesting fact: Pranay is also a corporate in a way, right? So the first question, Pranay, for you is if you can tell us about your journey, about your education, and then your journey in the music industry till now.
Okay, so the journey started off in Haridwar only, where I am currently. Because of Corona, we've all been thrown out of Bombay, and mostly all of the musicians are working out from their hometowns right now. Somehow, my school played a major role in actually bringing out a lot of musicality in me. So I used to be in the choir group, I used to be doing competitions, and the music teachers were very supportive. And I was not very much aware of if I could sing or not. It was actually them who uh, spotted me singing somewhere in an alley. I was having a Casio, I was playing some chords and just humming some things. And so my music teacher called my mom and told him that, I told her that probably Pranay should learn vocals as well. He has a good voice. So I had no clue what was going on, and I started singing. So it started, catching on upon me. And I was like, okay, maybe I can do something in here. Then the time I thought that, this can be something which I can do for a longer term was when I first got on stage. So that was when I was around 7 years old.
Okay.
And I would never forget that experience. So that is what has kind of brought me here, because I wanted to have that again and again in my life. So that was the moment, I would say, where I thought that this is it. This is about me. Music
And
is what
and in college, how did it continue? Because with studies, it is quite difficult. Though our students of inspiration, they do quite well in annual functions. Their music teachers are quite supportive. But when you reach
Mhm.
college, at times it becomes a little difficult. Especially during the final years. So how did you manage that?
So actually, with studies, I would say that you have to be a bit smart on that front. So what happens is that you cannot tell everyone upfront that, I'm gonna be a musician. Or if I would say कि I would want to be a singer, कि मैं गाना गाना चाहता हूँ, and what's the monetary value? What's the career value of that? What's the actual, substantial quantitative takeaway that you have, with respect to what you would make of your life if you would just sing. So singing is attributed not very a professionally viable thing, in the current setup, how it's still like that. So I had to kind of make my way through it. So trying to manage my studies along with music was my way of, smoothing the path, because then no one would question me कि भाई तुम क्या कर रहे हो, तो आप practice कर रहे हो तो क्यों कर रहे हो तुम भी, you're not studying or practicing, or you are not doing well. So I just wanted to avoid that negativity, so I played along, a bit with my studies, just enough so I could maintain both music and studies. But definitely music was something which I wanted to keep at priority number one. So I did that, but studies was mostly done so I could keep everyone at, that. So just to maintain, हाँ सब कुछ हो रहा है, just chill.
Yes.
Just like that.
So, Pranay, we are already getting many questions in the chat box, and they are asking,
Yeah.
first of all, can you throw some light on your educational qualifications, education academic journey, like after schooling,
What
did you
degree
do?
did you do, and what are you doing apart from singing? And then we come to singing primarily.
Okay, so I've just done my BTech in applied electronics and instrumentation. So that is all that I've done. I'm just a graduate. I'm not even done a postgraduate. I was never a very bright student. I was just the average one who could, score. I'm not saying that this is how you should be. You should, if you want to excel, you should excel.
Yeah.
If you're good at something, you should do it. But then it was just about me. Ki, I had a certain amount of effort. कि कितना कर सकता हूँ. I knew कि मेरा aptitude is a certain level. I wanted to just carry it along with music.
Mhm.
So BTech I've done. Then after that, I got into Larsen and Toubro after that.
Mhm. Mhm.
So apparently I was the only one from my whole branch getting placed in the company. Even I was not the top scoring ones in my branch, but then probably the one thing that I really stick to, that I would advise everyone else, that
Mhm.
if you're going for any technical education, first thing is just keep your basics clear. That is one very so I would tell you the very basic question that was like the first time I entered a technical interview and they asked me was the difference between a conductor and a semiconductor.
Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
and I just explained them by just drawing a basic graph of how the I versus V curve is. So that is how I did it. I just explained. So small things like that, they would not ask you A to D converters and all that stuff in the interview. So if anyone is aiming for say even non-technical stuff, they would drill you down to basics. So that is what I mostly focused on for my interview journey.
So
Even right now, when I plan to switch or go to some other organization, I first go to what I've studied at the basic level. So
yes. So it is wonderful to know that you are actually sailing in two boats and doing so well.
Yes.
Before you tell us about your new releases and your signing with Z, we would love you to sing at least two lines for us. Any song which comes to your mind, because I've started getting 100 requests and they are asking about your Instagram ID that you can give once we are towards the end of the session, so that they can then
okay,
join. Right now, I would request
okay.
you to sing two lines, any two lines which come to your mind, and then please tell us about your new songs as well.
The kind of music that I open up my shows with is a bit of khamaj. It's an Indian classical piece.
Yes.
I'll just sing a few lines of that. मोरा सैया मुझसे बोले ना सावन भी तो जाए पिहरवा सावन भी तो जाए पिहरवा मन मेरा घबराए मन मेरा घबराए है सो गए परदेस पिया तुम मैं सो गए परदेस पिया तुम चैन हमें नहीं आए मोरा सैया मुझसे बोले ना. So
Wow.
this is a bit of Khamaj for you.
That was wonderful. Mesmerizing. Students have started writing thousands of comments, and of course, it was mesmerizing. We are recording this session so that it can be posted on our and school social media handles, so that other students can get benefited. Zoom has this limit. We have this limit of 500 students right now. So we want to take it to thousands of other students as well. Now, apart from this, tell us something about the musical journey and what happened in Mumbai, how you landed this contract from Z. This is what they are interested about. They're asking me again and again.
Yeah.
So Bombay, I got into Bombay in 2014. Actually 13 ka December. Technically 14 ka January, I took a flat. So 2014 I have been there. So I had, first of all, no godfather, nothing. A few contacts here and there. So I would just like to mention that Neha Kakkad had been a very good friend since a long time, like before she was that big a name. So she and her family had been really kind to me with respect to at least guiding me or doing a very basic level mentorship, that what kind of people should I contact and what kind of people should I meet and what not. I would have an exclamatory mark on what not, because there are a specific group and circle of individuals that you really want to avoid, you should avoid. Because so for a lot of different reasons, there are good things and there are bad things. There are bad things that you should look to for that this is not what you want. So choosing what you do and with whom you work with is the very primary thing that I thought had worked in my favor. I would say that probably studying on getting into groups apart from music helped me in that. All the technical education, so these sessions that you people conduct, all the PDP thingies, everything that is done apart from studies and how you are taught in a professional institute or even a good school like Inspiration for this matter. These things play a very key role in how you identify what kind of people you are coming across. That helps you save a lot of time. I would say that slowly I, kind of gave auditions for bands and I got into recording studios and I probably, contacted some composers. Some of them liked my voice texture, some of them did not. For a majority period of time, what happened was that so I have a different, way of singing. My style is very different than the commercial wala scene how it is right now. So it's not a very manly, bassy, that kind of a voice as it is, has been since say 2013 when Arijit Singh came to picture and to me हो. So what happens is कि एक certain culture आ जाता है हर industry में. Singing industry में वो एक benchmark बन जाता है. तो उससे ब्रेक थ्रू कर पाना फॉर अ न्यू सिंगर इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज एवरीवन वुड गेज यू कि अच्छा नहीं ये टोन वैसी नहीं है दिस इज नॉट कमर्शियल दिस इज नॉट समथिंग दैट वी कैन रिलीज और अ म्यूजिक लेवल वुड नॉट से कि नहीं दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच कि Pranay's voice can be they would say that you are good you sing nice but then we can't really do something with this voice because this does not sound like XYZ's voice so you have to kind of persevere through that time and keep up your style keep up your individuality that's the first thing that I would say is matters you should have your own way of singing you should have your own character in your art you should know how you identify with it how you identify with that as a person how true you are to your practice and to the commitment so these are very heavy words I'm throwing upon everyone
how hours does it take every day so people ask कि कितने देर रियाज करते हो या प्रैक्टिस करते हो so does it happen every day or is it like कि कभी-कभी breaks भी चलते हैं थोड़े cheat codes भी चलते हैं as in a
there's no cheat honestly I'll be very brutally honest with you even if I have recorded for 5 hours yesterday I would still practice for 1 hour today so at least so that is how it works for me honestly I have singers I have colleagues in the industry same who don't practice so much probably everyone has different maths actually honestly I would not say that this formula applies to everyone but you have to identify that what is giving more consistency to your performance if you feel that your recording qualities or your live shows qualities or your output is not matching up to the mark and it's varying very much so if the inconsistencies are a lot throughout the performances then you should try to practice a bit more because practice brings a bit more consistency so if you are at level 20 you can land up at 19 or 18 but you would not go below 10 if you're practicing
so we have
that is how
we have a co-host with us Amrita she has a question for you she is a part of Team Twin Wins and so I would just unmute her for a second and just after this question we'll have one of your new songs because I was seeing that on Spotify and also on Ghana it was trending this is what I read from your comments and I was following you yesterday so if you can tell
us
that would be great so Amrita if you can ask a quick question and then we'll go to Pranay's song yes
hello good morning hi it was nice to meet you sir so just one question I would like to ask that who has impacted you the most in your career and how like I know your music teacher is one definitely I could get it through your words but someone else who must have impacted you in your career
there have been a lot of people who have impacted me professionally and musically I would say there's so many people I would learn so much from but there's one person I would really want to quote right now since a year or and a half I've been reading so gurus and teachers and people who guide you obviously that they are necessary so I had an amazing guru in Dehradun Guruji Mr. Narang sir then there was one of my seniors at my college Prakhar sir and I learned some western vocals from him he helped me a lot with my range through various octaves and I had a big problem with that he has so honestly Prakhar sir has mentored me a lot even personally so I would say that he was one of the personal mentors who I had same college again seniors so I have a lot of good seniors from the college apart from that there's one recent author I would say I've been reading a lot his name is Grant Cardone and I have read so there's a book called the 10x rule so I've really been brooding upon that topic since a long time I would say that is one it's kind of virtual inspiration for me these days so these are I juggle with a lot of stuff so he is one of the people who
now can we come to your song Pranay now can we come to your song if you can tell us about it and so our students can hear it yes
Yeah, so sure. So Zahir Kare is my third release with Z, third original actually.
Mhm.
So if you want to ask how I got signed up with Z, it was I was in Haridwar only. I was not in Bombay. I
Okay.
had put up a cover of again Satya, and somehow the CEO of Z Music Company, Mr. Anurag Budi, he stumbled upon that cover on some Instagram page,
Okay.
and he apparently liked my texture a lot on that one. And, he probably asked his team to go over my profile and what all work I had done over the years on YouTube and Instagram on other places that I've uploaded. So probably found some merit in what I could do and what potential holds. So they contacted my manager, the
Mhm.
one who manages me for my shows, and so
Mhm.
that is how we got into the talks. It was a long 2-3 months process. We went through the contract, etc., some formalities, and that is how it happened. So it was all, actually luck mostly which got me through. But then I had to
Opportunity, that kind of a situation.
yes, but then for that to happen, I had to I had to keep on posting since a good amount of 4 to 5 years constantly and building my channels, etc. So that work needs to be done. Only then you can think of being so luck follows work.
So, dear students,
Definitely.
follow this from Pranay, right from education to engineering to music. He has this consistency factor.
Yeah.
One thing which I would like to learn from him, and I would like to give it to all the students, is consistency. Consistency is the key, I suppose. So, can we hear 2-3 lines of the new song?
Sure. किस तरह तुम्हें बताएं और कितना तुमको चाहे एक तुम हो जरूरी बात कैसे ये छुपाए हो हो जाहिर करे ये आंखें मेरी करता है दिल बातें तेरी जाहिर करे ये आंखें मेरी करता है दिल बातें तेरी मुझ में मेरा क्या है बता तेरी हुई अब सांसें मेरी This is Zahir Kare.
Thank you so much.
I have nothing, no piano and no guitars. So I'm so sorry. I'm very bland.
Pranay, we are taking this leverage because we are from the same college. We are asking you for so many requests. Now, I would like any student who would like to ask a question. There are so many of you. So if you type a good question, then only I can connect you to Pranay.
Harshit Sharma, I think you wanted to ask something.
Yes. So Harshit, we are connecting you, and others can keep writing questions on the chat box. Harshit, yes, you can talk to Pranay.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Hey, hi, Harshit.
So it's an honor to meet you, and like this, we are interacting with you. So it's really an honor for us.
Same
So
here.
my question is that you have been to many places, and you have worked with many big like celebrities. So how you feel when you come across people who have natural talent, and the other who have practiced so hard to reach there?
Okay, good question. So,
Okay.
what excites you more, Pranay? Is it people
Natural
those who have
talent.
natural talent, or people those who, are the other way around, that they practice a lot and then they become talented over a period?
Honestly, that is how it has been with me.
Yes.
So if I tell you my journey, I was not very good at singing. I was just average. It's just that I did not leave it for a long time. I still don't say that I am, कि मुझसे अच्छा कोई नहीं गाता. I just sing okay. I'm average. If you say the kind of talent that we have in the country and across the globe, they are amazing people. Matlab, I would not even say that I'm 1% of the lot.
That's so humble.
But I really have more. So seriously, personally, I kind of look up to those people a bit more who have not acquired that thing, but then they have built it upon over the years and practiced. That is how I have done it. So probably that is
I
one
remember
more reason.
Ed Sheeran, like I was asked the same question in an interview that you are so naturally gifted, and Ed Sheeran was asked this question. So Ed Sheeran actually replied the same answer which you actually gave, that it is more about, the practice and the consistency. It's not about only being naturally gifted. It's about what you make of that natural gift. That's very
That's right.
important. So,
And I'll tell you one more thing actually for this. I'm digressing a bit, but then I would really want to bring this thing forward. That after a certain point, right? So once you know ki songs nikal rahe hain, things are going forward, and you still do make a mark, but then you are still on the way. Like, but then to make it to the next leagues, or to make it to the next steps. Uh, Once you know that everyone of your co-singers, your co-stars, the people who you are working with, existing singers in the in the industry, they are already there. They sing good. They have good feel. Everything is good about them. So the thing that next matters is how what kind of an attitude you have towards the work. Like, that is one really important thing. Not just how good you can sing, is how timely you can deliver. So if they are sending a recording to do it by next 2 days, I have to be sure that I stick to the deadline and work accordingly. If I would flout deadlines by a week, or I would make it a pattern, then they would not want to work with me over a longer run. So work ethic also takes you a good amount of way. The journey becomes easy if you have a good work ethic.
Right lesson, and it also proves that you are reading a lot, and you gave an example of a book, and it really plays a pivotal role in how you become. What you read is what you become. Anshul was mentioning about one of your cover songs, so I would, because Anshul loves music and he's somebody who plays guitar and sings, I would
Very amazing.
and he's from the AAI branch as well, so from DIT.
we are from the same batch, right?
We are from the same batch, and
Yeah.
Seriously?
So
Same batch. So you passed out in which year?
no, like we are from the same
We are from the
batch,
same
and
batch.
you are.
Sorry, you understand.
Year by
Achha,
one
so you my senior as well. Okay.
Yeah.
We are taking a lot of leverage of that, though. Frankly, Anshul was listening to one of your cover songs, and I would request Anshul to request you
I
for
think,
that.
that was one song from the movie Kabir Singh, right? I think this you have, recently recorded. It was, I think, on your YouTube channel.
Kaise hua?
Kaise Hua? I think that was the cover with somebody playing the guitar, I suppose.
Acha, हाँ, right. Kaise hua I recorded.
Wonderful. So
Kaise hua.
maybe sing 2-3 lines of that song. Yeah.
Acha, okay. मैं बारिश की बोली समझता नहीं था, हवाओं से मैं यूं उलझता नहीं था, सीने में दिल कहाँ थी मुझे खबर, कहीं पे हो रातें, कहीं पे सवेरे, आवारगी रही साथ मेरे, ठहर जा ये कहती है तेरी नजर, क्या हाल हो गया है ये मेरा, आंखें मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह, ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह, कैसे हुआ तू इतना जरूरी, कैसे हुआ.
Yeah,
Wow.
thank
This
you
is
so
Kaise
much.
Hua.
Wow, wonderful.
Yes, that was wonderful and mesmerizing. So, Pranay, now one more thing, we would like to know about your Instagram handles and all, so that our students can quickly reach you. If you can put your social media handles, please.
So my Instagram handle is pranay.bahuguna. That is only. You can just type in Pranay BA. You can get the searches pretty instantly. So you can search me on Instagram. On YouTube, you can just type in Pranay Bahuguna. You'll get my channel almost at the top. So yeah, that's
Great.
mostly the
Now,
places.
Dimple, I think, has one question for you from class 11th D. Dimple, go ahead. We are unmuting you. Yeah.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yeah, I don't.
Sir, I want to ask you that which is your best memory in your singing career till now? Which you
Best
never
memory.
yeah.
Okay, so I would say that all of my best memories have been from the stage performing. So there was this one time I was doing a private event in Alibag. It was some some corporate family from Mumbai, and me and my band were performing. And probably the head of the family was a lady. Okay, and that lady had lost her husband a lot of years ago. Like she had undergone a very very, very amazing journey, and she had risen up the ranks, and she running her own company. And we were performing, and there was a song. It was a Mohammed Rafi song. Says so it's about struggle actually. So there's a line in that song. मेरे को एकदम से याद नहीं आ रही वो line अभी. But then there's a line that says that वक्त इंसान पे ऐसा भी कभी आता है, राह में छोड़ के साया भी चला जाता है, something like that. So the instant I said, I recited that line, she started crying, and it was very difficult for her relatives to actually stop her from doing that.
Power of human.
And yeah, honestly, and that that moment, that 1-2 seconds when the tears started dripping from her eyes, I could see the amount of struggle that she had. All those years, they just came forward to life all of a sudden. And
Yeah, that's the power.
how
Yeah.
correct. So all the emotions got invoked instantly, and I just felt a bit in a position where I could invoke that inside a person. That thing made me, it was a very beautiful feeling, honestly.
So there is
Honestly, I sang a good song to make her happy also after that. So
there's this beautiful line, घायल तो यहाँ हर परिंदा है, जो फिर से उड़ सके बस वही जिंदा है, right? So
amazing.
it is about whether you can fly again or not. I would now request Principal Sir to say a word to Pranay, because we are really running short of time. So Principal Sir, if you can have a word, and then we'll come to Vice Principal Ma'am. Yes.
Hello Pranay, how are you?
Hi sir, hi.
Well, it's great to listen, such a young boy, and talking like wisely as a such a philosopher. Lovely Pranay, hearing you. You have never given an impact like as if my students are interacting with like someone who is such on top chart and coming down to the level, talking heart to heart. It was a wonderful listening you, Pranay. Wonderful.
Pleasure, sir.
And I request all the students, please don't think that a singer is sitting here in front of you. Here he is as a Pranay, and he has just inspired, I think, me too much. Like working hard so much, and even going to that level and maintaining that, meeting deadlines. Yes, that was a point he has made. Keep all these points in your mind. And Pranay, thank you once again for being with us, sharing all your rich memories and rich experiences. And I hope that this is definitely going to work for our dear students. And thank you, Team Twinwin, for actually letting us talk to Pranay like this. Thank you, everyone.
It's all because of Pranay's yes that we could have him here. The credit goes
lovely being here.
I would now request Rashmi ma'am to have a word.
Yeah.
And Pranay works for JP Morgan and Chase, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, so I'm working as an associate of wealth management there. So
even
that's like my professional.
I'm looking at it. Okay, Rashmi ma'am, over to you now.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much, Pranay, for accepting this request, and you have actually graced this event more. Your presence has definitely motivated the students. I could say that your journey, as I was just listening, whatever you were saying, at such a young age, I would say, when you were achieving so much at every step, you made it a point that everything good has to be your choice. Yeah. Like you said, that there was a mentor. I was very impressed, and I want all my children to make it a point that life is amalgamation of good and bad. It is all up to you, that what you select. Like Mr. Pranay said right now, that he's always made it a point that he sticks to good choices. So that is seriously amazing. And another point that I'm totally impressed, you have inspired me by saying that sincere perseverance is must. If you have to achieve something, you need to persevere it very sincerely. So way is open.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here. And students, I would definitely want you all to make a point, keep notes of whatever he has said, whatever has inspired you, because I have also made it a point to note down certain things.
So
pleasure, man. Pleasure.
Thank you for your kind words. Before we say bye-bye to Pranay, I have two requests. One, because we are facing Corona pandemic, I've written few lines like just half an hour back. So I would like to recite them in front of you so that we have a heartwarming session. And then one last song of your choice, and we'll be more than happy. You can think about it. And in the meanwhile, okay, I will recite this for you. बिना बोली हुई किसी अपने की बात जान जाते हैं, प्रेम के सिक्कों से एक मुस्कान ले आते हैं, बिना रिश्तेदारी, बिना जान पहचान, यूं ही इंसान होने के नाते किसी अजनबी के दिल को अच्छी लगे ऐसी बात बोल आते हैं, प्रेम के सिक्कों से एक मुस्कान ले आते हैं। जो कभी मांगी ना गई, जो कभी सोची ना गई, दिल को बहलाने को ही सही, रोज किसी को माफी दे देते हैं, प्रेम के सिक्कों से एक मुस्कान ले आते हैं। भाग दौड़ भरी जिंदगी में मिलना मिलाना ना भी हो पाए अगर अब, मन के घोड़ों पर बैठ के सबकी खैरियत की दुआ सबको भिजवा देते हैं, प्रेम के सिक्कों से एक मुस्कान ले आते हैं। So you brought that muskan to us, Pranay. So thank you so much. And
I'm glad, yeah.
we would now request you for one last song before you sign out and this program winds up with this. So we had 3 days of lot of hard work for all these students, and you have, made it quite heartwarming and quite relaxing for all of us. Thank you so much, Pranay.
We'll be your hosts.
It is
Lovely
so
being here.
hard.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.